Yeah, I appreciate you. State Chairman, Dr. Abiye PDP, starting with the
President who will say it as it is. For us, we believe Nigeria today is sleeping. We need a Wike to wake Nigeria. God bless you.
What PDP needs now is to win an election. Who has the capacity to face APC? I think I'm the one amongst all of us. I have that capacity. So, and like I said, even if he says not me, I will work for this party because I have no other place to go to. This is the only party that are giving me everything. That's giving me everything. So I owe this party to work for the party to make sure the party takes over in 2023. I've never left this party since 1998, and I'm not going to leave this party. I will work for the party. But I think that if we want to win this election, give me the opportunity, give me the ticket, then you will see what will happen in 2023. Giving me ticket means that we're almost there. Just give me the ticket. Have that confidence. And then I can tell you that everybody start preparing that we are taking over in May 29, 2023. This losing election will end by using Wike as a candidate for the People's Democratic Party. How will the economy be good when there is insecurity? Who will come and invest in the country like this? You talk about agriculture to grow. How will it grow when farmers can't go to farm? The major thing for governance is protection of life and property. Then you see all other things will follow. If people cannot go to school, if people cannot go out in the evening, then what is the essence of governance? As a leader, your business is to assemble the best and then sit down with you, see what you want. This is what is going to go. And everybody in that cabinet must be committed. If you don't do your work, you get fired. There's nothing like you supported me. There are so many people who supported me. So if you cannot do the work, there are people who want to do the work. That is leadership.
Your Excellency, if not for the fact that you have to do what you got to do, we will have said, why preach to the converted? Your Excellency, take a bow.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.